Hi, everyone. Learned something new on Twitter today about how do you get the data from a web page onto Excel without having to sort of manually copy paste the data. Found the process kind of interesting and useful. So I'm sharing that with you here. Let me go ahead and share my screen. Share my screen and so this is my Excel file, but this is my so let's say this is the Wikipedia page for US states and territories by population. And let's say if I want to copy this data and this data onto an Excel file, all I need to do is go to Excel, go to Data tab, under Data tab from Web, and then put the URL on here, and click OK. It takes a moment to connect with that website. It might ask you for some permissions if you need it, but so you can look at, there are different tables on that page that it picks up on. And then you could do, you can pick up that table and say load. And you can load to a file as well, but if you just load it, it just shows up. Okay. And you could load more tables if you want. So I thought this would be pretty useful without having to fumble around with copy and paste and all that. I hope you find it useful. Thanks a lot.